Touch the leg and welcome to Tibet This Week, a weekly news that features Tibet, His Holiness the Dalai Lama and Central Tibetan Administration. Top news of the week. His Holiness the Dalai Lama condoles the demise of Venerable Thich Nhat. China interrogates Tibetan language rights advocate Tashi Wangchuk. Sikyong receives acknowledgement letter from Czech Republic Prime Minister Petr Fiala. Tibetan parliamentarians attend 73rd Indian Republic Day celebration in Dharamshala. His Holiness the Dalai Lama offered his condolences on the passing away of his friend and spiritual brother, Venerable Thich Nhat. His Holiness expressed that Venerable Thich Nhat lived a truly meaningful life by dedicating his life to the contribution to the world peace, mindfulness and compassion. His Holiness also stated that the best way to tribute him is to continue his work to promote peace in the world. Through pictures released by the Office of His Holiness the Dalai Lama on Tuesday this week, His Holiness the Dalai Lama was seen enjoying the majestic view of the snow-capped peaks of the Dholadhar range in Dharamshala following the several days of rain and snow in the town. According to the Dharamshala-based Tibetan Center for Human Rights and Democracy, Tibetan language rights advocate Tashi Wangchuk in a Weibo post on 18th January revealed that the day before he was summoned and interrogated for almost 3 hours at Kyoto City Police Station in Yushu County in the Tibetan province of Kham. Tashi was released on 28 January 2021 after serving 5 years in prison for his attempt to file a lawsuit against local Chinese officials for their failure to protect and promote Tibetan language and culture as guaranteed in the Chinese Constitution and Regional National Autonomy Law. Following the release of the New York Times documentary film in November 2015 on his journey as language rights advocate, he was detained by the Chinese authorities and later convicted for inciting separatism. Upon his release from prison, he was prohibited from meeting his lawyers and subjected to 5 years of deprivation of political rights. 9 months after his release, Tashi opened a personal Weibo account with a profile bio that reads, "Freedom of expression is the mother of all rights." In his online post, he questioned the closure of Tibetan language websites by sharing screenshots of inaccessible websites. Some of his posts enlisted the rights enshrined in the Chinese Constitution. In their process of sinicizing Tibetans, the Chinese authorities are rigorously promoting Mandarin Chinese in Tibet, imprisoning and sentencing Tibetan cultural leaders and activists who worked for promotion of Tibetan language and questioned China's policies in Tibet. In response to Sikyong Pembatsiring's letter congratulating the new Prime Minister of Czech Republic, the Office of Government of Czech Republic issued a letter on behalf of Czech Prime Minister Petr Fiala thanking Sikyong Pembatsiring. The letter from the Office of the Prime Minister Fiala emphasized the deep bond between the Tibetans and Czech Republic as a result of lifelong friendship between His Holiness the Dalai Lama and former President Václav Havel. The letter also mentioned the Czech government's commitment to follow the legacy of both statesmen based on promotion of our most cherished values of freedom, democracy, human rights and the rule of law. Sikyong's congratulatory message to Czech Prime Minister mentioned that Czech Republic as a country has inspired the people of Tibet in its path towards freedom. Deputy Speaker Thomas Tekang of the Tibetan Parliament in exile, accompanied by Member of Parliament Namgyal Droghalhagiri, attended the 73rd Republic Day celebration at Police Ground, Dharamshala on Wednesday this week. The Deputy Speaker presented the chief guest with Tibetan ceremonial scarves and extended greetings on the 73rd Republic Day of India on behalf of the Tibetan Parliament in exile and Tibetan people. The Republic Day celebration was graced by the chief guest Shri Sukram Chaudhary, Himachal Pradesh Power Minister and other senior officials. That is all for this week. Thank you for tuning into Tibettv.